I've just made $1,200, just like that, and you can too. Let me teach you. Does this sound familiar to you? Yeah, me too. I've seen it a lot. Let's take a look. Hey guys, welcome here to Budget Broski. Today, we're gonna cover about day trading. I'm gonna cover about 5 things. What is day trading? Why most people lose? Why is it a hard game? Why is it an emotional trap? And why there's a lot of financial influences, just like you've just seen before. First one, day trading is not the same as investing. It's trying to profit within minutes, hours, or within market sessions. It's not the same as investing, where you invest for 5 to 10 years. It's a long-term game. Point number 2, most beginners lose money, and the research is uncomfortable. Let me show you. One study in Brazil, they put together beginners to do day trading. After 300 days, the result was shocking. 97% of them make a loss. And that's crazy. I'm not saying you can't make money off it, but only 3% make profit from doing it. And so skilled traders do exist. They do exist and they make good money for a living, but there's only a tiny percent of what you see. And they are extremely rare. Day trading is not just for beginners like you and me. Trust me, it's a lot harder than it looks. Green charts, yep, you put a position, you're gonna make profit. It's not as simple as that. There are professionals and algorithms behind the scene in the same market. So you're trying to battle against those people, the big players who are on their laptop all day, every day, watching all the movements, the behaviors, how people do, how people react to certain situations. And so for beginners like you and I, we just don't have the capacity and the knowledge and the expertise to bet against them, those big players. Quite often they quote 0 commission. There's no fee at all, but it doesn't mean there is no cost. The risk is just so much higher than the benefit that you can get. The hard part is doing the right thing while your money is moving, which I'm gonna talk about soon. Point number 4, day trading can feel like gambling. Quick wins can create a rush. Losses can trigger, I need to make it back. And that's what you call revenge trading. Let's say you lose $1,000. On your next trade, you're not thinking, how can I make profit? But you most likely to think, how can I make my money back and recover what I've just lost yesterday? And that's very dangerous. Revenge trading is the emotion grabbing the steering wheel and you lose control on the decision. And the biggest loss, it may not be money, but it's peace. You're losing sleep over it because you're constantly on your laptop or on your phone checking the charts where the price gone up or gone down. Oh, trust me, that's not the life you want. Okay, the last one. You see influencers like this? Yeah, they're everywhere, but you need to be cautious. Here's the thing, when you hear day trading, most likely you hear it from those people or advertisement online or on Instagram Reels or on TikTok or somewhere. It's not like you doing research and then you come up with day trading. So those are the type of people that you hear this concept of day trading from, and they don't have your best interests. You need to ask yourself what they are actually selling. Are they selling the escape or just the education, the course that they're trying to sell you so that you pay their courses? What you often see is green screenshots, charts going up, prices going up, and luxury lifestyle, flash cars and coffees, and the most famous line of all time, I made this before lunch and you can too. Sounds familiar? Yeah, we all know that. So what do we need to ask? Are the losses shown too, or is it just the wins? Because as we have seen before, the research shows that 97% of beginners lost money. Are the results verified? Is the course the real business rather than the day trading itself? So they're trying to get you to pay fee. Here's the thing, if the strategy looks convincing because the person looks rich, that's marketing. Now, going back to day trading itself, it's possible to make money, but the chances are very slim. And for most people, the average people, just like you and me, chances are making money is very slim. What we would be better off is investing in long-term growth assets, investing over a longer horizons, 5, 10, 20 years in growth assets. True wealth is built over time, not just overnight. Because the last thing you want is worrying 24/7 for what the market's gonna do. I personally think it's not worth it. So invest long-term and build your wealth slowly. If you enjoyed this video, I think you might like this one too. I'll see you there.